Hey, hope you're doing well. So today I'm going to share with you another Funnelish template and you can buy it. And if you need any services for building a funnel or fixing a funnel on the Funnelish, you can contact me and I have team. So we will really help you. So let's see this funnel. This is basically one page and you can see it's a comparison page, and we add the image, name of the product, and these bars. Okay, and the best part is that this is basically done with the coding, but in a such a way that you don't need to mess with the coding. So automatically you just need to change the number, and after that automatically the color and the progress bar, or if I say the width of the progress bar and the color, will automatically change. Let me show you. So basically this is the page, and this part is all done with the coding, but you don't need to mess with it. Okay, if you want to change this text, you can easily do here. And let's say you want to change it to 30. Okay, and when you save and preview it, you will see automatically when you typed 30, the width of the progress bar, you can see it's changed to 30% from 93%, and also the color of the progress bar also changed to the red. Okay, so now let me show you one more. If I type 65, now let's save the changes and preview again, and now you can see this time the width of the progress bar is different and the color is also different. So it's really easy. You just need to change the number here and other things will automatically work. I think it's really handy for you and it will save you a lot of time. So let me show you furthermore. This text, you can also change the button, and here as well, this one, this, you can see. Okay, and all of that, this stuff. So that's how. And if you want to change that which color should take place on which number or the width, I can also make a video guide for you. It's really easy. Okay, I can make a video guide for it when you purchase this funnel basically. So let me show you on the phone. So that's how it will look like on the phone. The name of the product, image, and this and this. So the most amazing part is that you just need to make changes on the desktop and it will automatically take place on the phone as well. Now you can see I changed it to 15. Let's see. You can see, and I changed it only on the desktop. The changes took place on the mobile as well, or phone as well. So it's really easy for you, and again it's going to save you a lot of time. So that's how you can see. So if you are really interested to buy this template, you can contact me. You can get the numbers in the description or in the comment. And if you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And as well, if you need my services to build any funnel or to clone any funnel, you can contact me. So see you next video. Take care. Bye.